Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Becca Spices. Today we will be making a quick savory dish called Khichuri, also known as yellow rice, perfect for those with little time on their hands, so let's get started. You will need 2 cups of basmati rice, 1.5 cup of red lentil, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 bay leaf, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, which can be adjusted to taste, half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, half a large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 5 pieces of green chili, which can also be adjusted to taste, 1/3 cup of oil, and lastly 5 cups of water. We'll start by adding the rice and red lentil onto the rice cooker. Next, add the diced onions, chili sliced in half, and all of the spices. Then incorporate everything together with a spoon. Measure out 2/3 cup of oil and slowly pour it into the rice cooker. We like our rice a bit softer, so we will be adding 5 cups of water, but if you like harder rice, reduce the amount of water as needed. Do a final mix with the spoon and put it on the rice cooker to cook for 30 minutes. And there you have it, an easy dish that can be eaten alone or served with your favorite sides. We have paired it here with the beef curry that goes wonderfully well with the spices in the yellow rice. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and thanks for watching.